Imagine being recognized as one of the greatest dancers in the world and receiving India's highest civilian awards for your contributions in Indian classical theatre. Dr. Sonal Mansingh, a legendary Bharatanatyam dancer, has accomplished this. She is known for incredible talent in mudras and expressions. She is globally recognized for her contributions in founding the Center for Indian Classical Dances and for producing worldwide famous dance performances. In this presentation, I'll share the biography of Dr. Mansingh by highlighting her personal background, the challenges she overcame, career achievements, and her contribution in promoting Bharatanatyam worldwide. Her career was nearly destroyed after a serious car accident. Doctors told her that she could never dance again. However, after months of recovery, she returned to the stage, a place she loved more than anywhere else. Mansingh's story is about determination, passion, and overcoming obstacles, which can inspire anyone pursuing their dreams. Let us begin by looking at Mansingh's early life journey in becoming an iconic dancer and inspiring leader. Mansingh was born on April 13, 1944 in Mumbai, India. She hails from a family of freedom fighters and social activists. Her grandfather, Mangal Pakwasa, was one of the first 5 governors of India, and her mother, Punema Pakwasa, was a prominent social activist. Growing up in this environment, Mansingh was inspired by patriotism, justice, and social change. At the age of 4, she developed a passion for dance to escape the strict atmosphere at home and started learning Bharatanatyam dance with her elder sister in Nagpur, India. By the age of 7, she began formal training under choreographer Kumar Jaikar. She graduated from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan College with a degree in Sanskrit and also learned a BA in German literature from Elphinstone College. She married India's former diplomat Lalit Mansingh in 1965, however, they were divorced in 1974. In the same year, while traveling in Germany, Mansingh met with a life-threatening car accident. To aid her recovery, she was placed in a heavy 4-kilo cast. Despite the media declaring her career over, her determination and months of recovery brought her back to the stage. In relation to this accident, she has said, "In a world where giving up is easy, we must cultivate self-confidence, self-esteem, and resilience to rise in life." Now that we have discussed Mansingh's personal background and the challenges she faced, next, let's focus on her career journey, highlighting her achievements, productions, awards, and her legacy as a teacher, choreographer, and social activist. Mansingh's career has been a journey of global recognition. In 1962, she mesmerized hundreds of dance lovers in Mumbai with her first onstage performance in Mumbai, India. Since her debut performance, she has performed at famous dance festivals around the world. Mansingh has made significant contributions to Bharatanatyam by founding the Center for Indian Classical Dances in 1977. She started the institution in a small space and developed it into a prominent institution. Since then, CICD has played a crucial role in preserving and promoting Indian classical dances, offering training and awareness to talented dancers. In 2002, filmmaker Paresh Jha released a documentary Sonal to mark the 40th anniversary of her career. Mansingh's choreography is inspired by Indian mythology and Hindu religious texts such as Manvata, Devi Durga, Draupadi, etc. As a teacher, she has encouraged students to integrate other art forms like literature, poetry, and sculpture, believing that dance is a fusion of these artistic forms. She has produced several dance dramas and performances over the years, with 2 of her most famous works being Indradhanush and Sundari, a Bharatanatyam performance highlighting feminine grace and beauty. Mansingh has received many prestigious awards, including the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1987, the Rajiv Gandhi Excellence Award in 1991, and Padma Bhushan in 1992, making her the youngest recipient of the award. From overcoming personal struggles to earning global recognition, she continues to inspire generations and shape the future of Indian classical dances.
The spark of life, the spark of creation, which is in everything, in everyone.
In this presentation, we have explored Mansingh's life from her early years of growing up in a family of freedom fighters and social activists to her love for dance that began at the age of 4. We also discussed the challenges she overcame, including a life-threatening car accident that almost ended her dancing career. Despite these setbacks, she achieved global recognition for her work in Bharatanatyam. Her contributions include founding the Center for Indian Classical Dances, producing famous dance dramas, and receiving highest civilian awards. Mansing's life is an inspiring story of determination, dedication, and resilience. Her journey is a great example of how one can overcome obstacles and contribute to the preservation and promotion of cultural theatres worldwide. Just like how she began as a young girl with a passion for dance, Mansingh has grown to become one of the greatest dancers of all time, receiving India's highest civilian honors for incredible contributions. Her legacy continues to inspire many people to never stop dreaming and contribute in developing cultural awareness.